Fine hybrid ink system for detailed documents and photos. In the box, PIXMA TS202 Inkjet Printer, setup CD-ROM, full set of ink cartridges, PG243, CL244, power cord. Quickly refill paper with the dedicated rear paper tray. With a great compact size, the PIXMA TS202 fits almost anywhere. OS compatibility: Windows 5, Windows 10, Windows 8.1, Windows 7 SP1, Mac 6, Mac OS X v10.10.5, Mac OS v10.12, Sierra. Ink compatibility: Ink tank fill volume PGI 246 black, 8.9 ml STD, 12.0 ml XL, CLI 246 color, 9.0 ml STD, 13.0 ml XL, PGI 243 black, 5.6 ml STD, CLI 244 color, 6.2 ml STD. Output tray capacity: rear paper tray 60 sheets of plain paper or 20 sheets of 4x6/10 sheets of 5x7 photo paper. Top reviews from the United States. Great printer with a great price. This printer is really great. My previous printer stopped working. Just went dead. Didn't want to put money into having it checked out or repaired. I am not very computer savvy. But I took it out of the box. Followed the easiest steps in the world to set up. To my amazement, it was so easy. I had it running prints less than an hour of taking it out of the box. Prints look just as good as my $179 printer that just shot craps. This Canon was only $54 and I received it from Amazon the same day I ordered it. What a win-win. Thank you, great Amazon. My go-to store in a big brown truck. Love it.